Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So it's summertime, everybody is at home and you're going to be thirsty and looking out for some cold drink. So I thought I'll try a lime squash recipe today so that you can store this in your refrigerator and use as and when you require. There's only 3 ingredients required in this recipe, making it very easy to make. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. So we need lime juice. So this is freshly squeezed lime juice. I've taken about 500 grams, that's 10 to 12 lime, squeezed the juice out of it and kept it ready. In here I have a sugar syrup ready. Let's have a look at how we prepare the sugar syrup. So the first step is to make the sugar syrup, for which I have got 1 cup of water and 2 heaped cups of sugar in a saucepan on low flame. I'm going to let the sugar dissolve into the water before removing it from the fire. Please do make sure that the flame is on low. So let's wait for the sugar to dissolve. So these are the only ingredients required to make the lime squash. So basically what I'm going to do is I've cooled the sugar syrup until it's come to room temperature. Now I have to sieve the syrup. So I've got a sieve on top of this measuring cup and I'm going to pour the sugar syrup through it. Let's pour back the syrup into the bowl. We'll add in the lime juice. So make sure the sugar syrup is at room temperature or lukewarm. We'll sieve the lime juice into this. We don't want any seeds to fall into the squash. So that's done. Let's just mix this up a little. I'm going to mix both together. And the squash is ready. Now we can store this in a sterilized glass bottle in the refrigerator for about 1 month. So I'll just transfer this into a glass bottle. So to sterilize the bottle, boil some water in a pan and add the bottle as well as the lid into the pan. Make sure the lid is not plastic and boil it for 8 to 10 minutes. Then just let the bottle dry naturally. So I've already sterilized my bottle and I'm going to pour the contents into the bottle. So I poured the squash into a glass bottle. Now for the ingredients that I've mentioned, you will get around 750 ml of the squash. You can just leave this bottle inside the refrigerator and it will last you for 1 month. I've taken a little bit of the squash separately and I'll show you how to make the drink. To make the drink, I've got a glass in here. I've got the lemon squash right in here. I've got some cold chilled water. And for garnish, I'm using mint leaves and lemon. To make the drink, take around 3 to 4 tablespoons of the squash. Now you can add ice or chilled water. I'm adding chilled water. Just mix up everything. And then garnish it with some lemon and mint leaves. And that's your lime squash ready. Now there are 2 other different ways of doing this. Watch till the end of the video to find out more. So the lime squash is ready. Now you can make it in various methods. I've shown you one method in the video. The other method would be to add soda and a little bit of salt to the concentrate and make it into a lime soda. You can add some rose syrup into it and make it into a pink lemonade. You can try these options at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.